400 pounds capacity. The Bora Portamate Mobile Base Kit PM-1100 is customizable to accommodate any machine size footprint and has a weight capacity of 400 pounds. 181 kilograms. Mount and move easily. Your large machines, woodworking equipment, and power tools can all be mounted and moved with ease, including table saws, band saws, workbenches, and more. Adjustable size. All types of machinery and other heavy items can be mobile with a PM-1100. Just measure the machine's footprint, cut 3/4 plywood, not included, to size for the base, then fit the hardware, and you're ready to go. Easy Glide Plus Locking Levers. The easy-to-use foot-operated locking levers lock the 3-inch hard plastic caster wheels into place. This kit is perfect for garages, woodshops, workshops, or anywhere you need to make your equipment mobile. Top reviews from the United States. High quality, excellent workmanship. I devised a plywood T-shaped frame for my assembly table in the workshop, and now it's much easier to move as needed. My basement shop is long but not very wide, so 4 casters would have been easier to maneuver. I'm impressed by the hefty steel and low profile. There are no burrs or misaligned holes. This is a quality product.